Welcome back to Skyward Strength. If you're new here, we're all about helping you achieve your fitness goals. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and notifications button so you don't miss any content. Today, we're going to focus on overhead power. Yes, we're about to unleash your upper body strength potential. Overhead press. Step 1. Start by standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. Hold the barbell at shoulder level with your palms facing forward. Step 2. Engage your core and keep your back straight. Step 3. Push the barbell straight upwards until your arms are fully extended overhead. Step 4. Pause at the top, then slowly lower the barbell back down to the starting position. Safety. Keep your back straight and avoid arching it during the lift. Do not use your legs to aid in the press. This exercise focuses on the upper body strength. Push press. Step 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the barbell at shoulder height with your palms facing forward. Step 2. Dip slightly by bending your knees and hips, keeping your torso upright. Step 3. In a quick motion, drive through your heels to straighten your legs and simultaneously press the barbell directly overhead. Step 4. Return the barbell back to your shoulders and repeat. Safety. Make sure your wrists are strong and stable. Avoid leaning back as you push the weight overhead. Maintain control of the barbell at all times. Clean and jerk. Step 1. Start in a squatting position with the barbell on the floor. Grip the bar wider than shoulder width, palms facing you. Step 2. Drive through your heels, lifting the barbell off the floor while extending your body. Step 3. As the bar reaches your thighs, quickly pull yourself under the bar, catching it on your front shoulders while moving into a squat position. Step 4. Stand tall, adjusting your grip if needed. Step 5. Bend your knees slightly, then quickly extend your legs while thrusting the barbell above your head to a full arm extension. Step 6. Straighten up to a standing position with the barbell overhead, then lower it safely to the ground. Overhead exercises are essential to a well-rounded strength training routine. They build your shoulder and arm strength and enhance your core stability. As always, let's start with some dynamic warm-ups. Remember, a well-prepared body significantly reduces the risk of injuries. Throughout each lift, take it slow initially and gradually increase your weights as your strength improves. Remember, consistency is key. Well, there you have it, Skyward Squad. That's our quick guide to unleashing your overhead power. Remember to refuel your body post-workout. And hey, don't forget to hydrate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fitness content. Remember, it's your journey and we're here to help. Until next time, keep pushing your limits.